Hello there, my friends. Chris Marcus here with you for Arcadia Economics. And today a quick video about JP Morgan and their advice to China's monetary policy experts, perhaps using the word monetary policy expert loosely, as most of the monetary policy officials generally just like printing money. And interesting here because on CNBC you can see JP Morgan says China hasn't done enough to stimulate its economy. China needs a little more aggressive easing than what the government has done so far to stimulate its slowing economy. I find this is really a philosophical matter more than technical, in the sense that sure, the Chinese market has been slowing down, a lot of credit issues, yet again, it's this Keynesian approach where whenever things aren't great, use the magic balm of printing more money, and somehow that's going to make things better. Of course, that's left the US in the position where now the debt loads, money printing burdens are larger than ever. And we can see the Fed is backtracking from unwinding the policy because it's great when you have the effect of the printed money coming in, yet when you undo that, obviously, as we've been seeing in the stock market, real estate market this year, naturally you get the opposite effect. So sure, if China were to sit there and start running the presses again, it would likely boost things in the short term, yet only creates a bigger day of reckoning for later on. Again, somewhat ironic to hear JP Morgan making this comment because, as many of you probably know, JP Morgan, widely viewed by many as the prime silver manipulator. There was a trader named John Edmonds who pled guilty. He was a former JP Morgan trader, pled guilty to manipulating gold and silver while citing that it was done with the knowledge of his superiors and was widespread practice in the firm. So if the allegations are true, as I personally believe them to do, I'll try and phrase this well for legal purposes, but that's my belief that JP Morgan has been manipulating the market, and also they have been accumulating a large position in silver. So here it is, banks talking about governments should print more money, and in the background, the belief is that the banks are sitting there purchasing physical metal. So I don't think these things are all coincidental, and again is why I make these videos pointing out what I see going on and the value of owning gold and silver. While I don't agree with the things that most of these banks do, if you pay attention to what they're doing with their trading and their positioning, can give you a lot of insight. So again, JP Morgan wants more money printing. According to the COT reports from the COMEX, they are loading up on metals as that happens. So take that as you will. But if you have any questions on that, leave it in the comments below. Look forward to seeing those, and I'll check in with you again soon.